battlefield has a new commander, and it doesn't wear a uniform or sleep. Artificial intelligence is now calling the shots in wars from Ukraine to Gaza, changing combat in ways we're just beginning to understand. Imagine drones that don't just fly, but assist human operators in identifying and engaging targets. Satellite systems that spot enemy movements before human analysts even finish their coffee. Propaganda machines that generate thousands of convincing fake videos before breakfast. This isn't the future, it's happening right now. Russia's Lancet drones use AI to identify and home in on targets during their final approach, though these systems have shown mixed results in Ukraine. Israel's Gospel AI system processes vast amounts of data to generate suggestions for buildings and structures that militants may be operating in, while Lavender helps identify suspected members of Hamas and other armed groups, but human operators still make the final targeting decisions. Ukrainian forces have deployed thousands of AI-enhanced drones that can lock onto targets identified by operators during the final phase of flight, helping overcome Russian jamming. But here's what keeps generals awake at night. While these systems don't yet make fully autonomous kill decisions, they're rapidly evolving toward greater independence. One algorithm glitch, one misidentified target, and entire cities could pay the price. The concerning part? While international efforts are underway, including a UN resolution passed in December 2024 with 166 votes in favor and a 2026 deadline for legally binding instruments, comprehensive regulations are still being developed. As defense experts warn, we're building weapons that learn faster than we can establish rules to govern them. The age of AI-assisted warfare is here, with fully autonomous systems on the horizon, and humanity is racing to create proper oversight before these technologies advance beyond human control.